You've already added your domain in the WP Engine user portal, set it as the primary domain, and configured your DNS records. Now there's just one more quick check to make sure everything lines up. In this video, we'll show you how to confirm that your WordPress settings are using your custom domain and how to update them if they aren't. When you first create a site in WP Engine, it starts out with a temporary address, like your company.wpenginepowered.com. That's just so you can access and work on your website before it goes live. But once you add your custom domain in the user portal and set it as the primary domain, WP Engine automatically updates your site's database so links use your real domain instead of that temporary one. So this step of the go-live process is simply making sure WordPress itself is correctly pointing to your custom domain. It only takes a moment, but it helps everything stay in sync. Here's how you do it. Log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. In the left-hand menu, go to Settings and then General. Now check the two URL fields. First is the WordPress address. This is where WordPress itself lives and contains your website's core files, themes, and plugins. And second is the site address. This is the domain name visitors type into their browser to reach your website. Both boxes should already display your custom domain, for example, yourcompany.com, instead of the temporary wpenginepowered.com address. Also, double-check that you see HTTPS at the beginning of your domain. That means your website is using a secure connection. If either field still shows the temporary address, replace it with your custom domain, including the HTTPS, and save your changes. But make sure your DNS records are configured before changing these URLs. Otherwise, you may have trouble logging back in. After you save, you'll be logged out of WordPress. Then, all you need to do is log back in with your usual username and password. If you do need to change these URLs, we also suggest running a search and replace to catch any old temporary addresses that might be still hiding in your database. A search and replace tool quickly scans your database for the old address and replaces it with your new one. For more details on running a search and replace, visit our Support Center guide at wpengine.com/support/search-replace. And that's it. Once your WordPress URLs are confirmed, your site will be fully synced with your custom domain. As always, if you run into any issues or have questions, our support team is here 24/7 to help.